Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make all the, all the header different on each page in Google Docs. So okay, let's start it. At first, open a docs file. Firstly, make all the header different on each page is going to the insert menu option and click for the header and footer option and click for the header option. Then click for the that write a word. This select text and going to the align center option and click for the left align. Then show the all page is header. This header is divided on a space and going to the insert menu option and click with the break option and click with the section break option. Then other page. Now click here. Going to the insert menu option and click for the page break option and click for the section break option. That's okay. Then I show the make all the header different on page space in Google Docs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.